Hi, today I'll be showing you all how to make an origami butterfly.
First, fold the paper into a triangle. Now unfold. Rotate the paper and fold into a triangle again. Then unfold. Turn the paper over and fold in half. Unfold and rotate the paper, then fold in half again. Now unfold. Now push the center lines on the sides while pinching the two bottom folds. Here it is again slowly. Now take one side layer and fold it to the center. Repeat on the other side. Now flip the shape over. Bring the bottom up and connect it to the top corner. Make sure to leave a small space on the top. Fold the top space down. Now pinch the top center to create a fold. Here is the step in a different angle again, slowly. Now you have a completed butterfly.